Greetings. My name is Jonathan Moore. I am the MIS Academic Director at the UConn School of Business. I oversee our Management Information Systems major, and I also started our Emerging Tech Initiative, OPIM Innovate. We started out as an innovation initiative trying to bring emerging technology to our students, and over the past 2 years, our mission has really evolved. We wanted to stay as interdisciplinary as possible and bring a number of different services and opportunities to all students. And so as we started to develop our mission statement, we were thinking, what makes sense? And so the real goal is to provide students of all disciplines with opportunities and resources to learn, explore, and develop industry-valued skills outside of the classroom around that emerging technology. We first started with just 5 tracks. This was analytics, VR, Internet of Things, microcontrollers, and 3D printing, and have since expanded to a number of different technologies and programs. Today, we have multiple labs that are going under our umbrella, and we're also looking to expand with a program we call InnovateCT, which is around getting high school students interested in STEM and not using kind of our connections with nonprofits as well. I really wanted to wrap up, given that we only had 2 minutes for the video, with this focus that here at the School of Business and through our Innovate initiative, our goal is to create opportunities for students of all backgrounds to develop a new combination of skills outside the classroom that will help them foster and grow into our next generation of learners, leaders, entrepreneurs, and innovators.